this walls will not be white, it should have the gray effect. So wherever, now by chance if the light is there, street light, might be the opposite house will have a light on it. Remaining, Vedika ji, same I'm telling. Remaining, yeah, it is okay. Remaining will have a gray effect. You'll have to load the gray effect.
Okay.
Otherwise, white will not look nice. Only somewhere, as if it is, the light is falling, so you can make this white. Remaining will give a gray. That is one more. This concept, wherever you can make isolation concept is there, where you can load the color also. I can make a isolation concept in this black and white. That is, I can load a very dark yellow, bright yellow in the street light. Focusing means whenever anybody sees the artwork, he will first go on the light area where I load yellow and red shade. He will see that and then he will move to the other. That is called as an isolation concept in design. That also you can make it. Yes. You can make for the moon also. You can give a light lemon yellow shade in this. It definitely will look very nice and it will create an isolation effect. This is how you can convert your own artwork into different yes. Yeah, it is okay. Sanskriti. Yes, Vedika, very nice. Load in between here also the black this. Okay, now for the pavement, footpath. Now this is, it will be high. It has a step and this is a road. So first, just load your black. That will be in standing direction. Why? Because we are giving the height.
Ma'am, which pencil you are using?
I'm using, this is 12B. You can use pencil dust. If you want to make very black effect, you can use your black pencil also.
Ma'am, can I use 10B?
Yes, you can use 10B.
Okay. Ma'am, if we have all of the pencils, which one should we use?
12B. Those who don't have will go with black pencil, no problem. You can use your black pencil. It's not compulsory. Just...
Ma'am, so we have to just load the whole line in between.
No, it's not just loading. Now, after loading, I'm going to merge it in the standing direction.
Ma'am, how did you load it? Ma'am, how did you load it?
I directly loaded with a pencil. I have a blunt pencil. It's a 12B pencil.
Ma'am, can I use 10B?
Yes, you can use 10B. Okay? With the help of, now see, my stumps are moving straight, standing wise. I'm not going to give a sleeping effect. I'm going to give a standing effect.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm not
Yes.
having the blunt pencil, so can I use that earbud?
Yes, you can use earbud. Now, this side, we will not be able to see the height. Why? Because the photo is from here. So, this road, height is not there, but the edge will be there. So, what you are going to do? First, make it dark with your black pencil. And with your eraser, give a white edge here. That is, highlight that edge.
Ma'am, what did you do for the other side?
See, other side will not be able to see the height. So just make it dark and on the top give a highlight.
Ma'am, what did you do for that line? I didn't listen.
Which one? Which I am doing
From
right
the
now?
line you're highlighting right.
For this highlighting, I made that line very sharp, that is as a edge. It will not have any depth, and top of this I have given a highlight. And with the help highlight, if your highlight is more, I'm just loading the yes.
Ma'am, can we do the lamp using that black pencil?
Yes, you can. Now same thing here. This is little bit, this might be a little bit in front. So again, to make it sharp edge, just highlight on this side. Depth will have dark effect. It can be a shadow. It can be anything. It will have dark effect. And then it will have a gray shade. So, and opposite side will have your highlighting to have the proper edge. Yes, Krish, Grant, Kushi.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, may I go to washroom?
yeah. Jivansh, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is this door opening, the one we are doing right now?
This down part will be having a gray effect.
So the door is open?
Yeah. It has a gray effect.
Can we just see?
Yes. Very good, Sanskrit. Now on the road, just spread. I'm just taking my dirty stump and spreading it in a sleeping direction.
Ma'am, can we use pencil dust?
Yes, you can use.
Ma'am, can you
pencil
see
dust.
mine?
Yes, one second. Just hold on. Yeah, show me. Show me.
Mummy.
Very good, Shivan. Surely everywhere it will be grey. That's what I'm just showing. You'll have to load the grey effect.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, it is okay. You have not done this there. Has everyone done this to house or should we? Okay, one effect. See, I'm just loading the same. And little bit here, just leaving little bit white in between. Now for this, only the shadow is there below. And behind this. Roof, definitely it will be downwards like this. So I'm loading it, the gray effect, I'm just loading. You can load your pencil dust, huh? Slanting wise, how the roof is there, see? Just merging it first. Now the tree, both are seen. I'll just. Yes. First. Yes.
For the other tree, do we need to also shade?
Yes. What? Yes, Krish.
I said, do we need to shade the other tree?
Yes, yes. You need to shade it. I'm just highlighting the. You'll have to shade this house also. Now, for the tree, first on the roof, give a outline here. You can use your black pencil to give more dark highlighted outline. And then load little bit dark and go on. The roof will be having a grey effect and
Mom?
yes,
Mom, the last house can we do on our own?
yes, you can. See, now here it's dark, so I'm just loading.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes, one second. Just hold on. Behind the tree, it will have the shadow effect. Yes. Very good, Parth.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And now
Ma'am,
there
can
is a
you see?
shadow for trees also.
Can you
The
see?
tree is yes. Very good, Rushan. Rushan, you have not shaded this house. This one.
Which one?
This one, last one.
Mom, I don't have that kind of blender, so now what can I use?
Now take a earbud or you can take a tissue paper also. Yes?
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, show me. Load more grey, na? It is completely white. Grunt or grey is there. I feel that white is more. Huh? I didn't get you.
It's also there.
Okay, share your artwork. I'll just be able. Right now, I feel it is having a white shade.
Okay, ma'am.
When you share it in the group, I'll come to.
Can you review mine, Vedika?
Yes, 1 second. Just hold on. Okay. Now, first, the shadow of the tree. So it is going to go behind. Moon is here, so here this side. Same for this tree. It is going to go behind. So now near the tree, it will be dark, and as you go, it is going to become slanting, but it will be gray effect will be there. Just like this. Same at the joint where the base, it will be dark, and as you go away, it will have a gray effect. You can do one thing, you can just load near the tree, and remaining part you can just with your earbud spread the gray effect.
Mom, shouldn't we color the second different tree.
Yes, you'll have to. I told you this was a homework, but yeah, I think 2 or 3 people have done. Om has done, I think. I remember.
Mom,
Om's
even I
have
am
done.
done.
Yeah, so those who have done,
Mom, what about the third tree?
this one also. This I have made very thin. I'm just going to make it dark with the help of my pencil.
Mom, it's thick only for me.
Huh? Yes, Vedika?
Mom, it's thick for me, the tree. It's in the normal size.
Just load the color if it is thick.
Can you see mine?
Yes. Very good, very good. Make this grey now. I feel white, I don't know because of camera or what. I can see the white area.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, just show me. Very nice. This side also on the, it's a grey. Give the grey effect. For the walls, standing wise. To give the tree a 3D, that is, tree is always having a 3D circular effect. So, one place where it will have a curve just inside, I'm making it very slightly light. Okay, and then again with my pencil, I just gave your dark effect. Same, I'm highlighting the circular effect. I have erased in the center a line, and then on other side I have made it dark. Same this side. If you want to have more black effect, I have already told that you can use your black color pencil. Amira, if you load it little bit black, it will give a very nice effect. It is having a grey effect. Very good, Vedika. B.
Ma'am, can you just review my...
1 second, just hold on. Sanskrit. Okay, if I want to give a circular effect here, I have erased and this side I have made a grey effect. Yes, show me Sanskrit.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Sanskriti, give a effect na 3D effect, that is circular effect. I'm not able to see here for the work. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Rushan, hold it up.
Ma'am, how
What
to
is
give
this?
that?
They are trees. Why they are so wide, Rushan? Rushan, these two trees, why the shape of the trees are different? Yes, Rushan. Am I audible or no?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, but then why the shape of these trees are different? 1 second, just hold on. Hold on.
Ma'am, like I made them a bit wide, ma'am. Ma'am, because I had like a lot of space left. Ma'am, if I would have like
No,
made
but
them
it
simple.
should not be wavy. Shape should not be wavy. It should have some
Ma'am,
shape.
I'm adding water.
Here where you have given a curve, na, give a line there. Okay, it can be wavy, it can have lot of branches, but the shape is different. What you have given for the tree.
Ma'am, I'm adding water.
Yes, you can. It should have a shape, Rushan. Yes.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
just corrected. Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you just tell how to give the 3D effect in the tree?
Grant, very good. Very nice. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhruvi, very good. Yes, 1 minute, Sanskriti. Ray, show me yours.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, everyone's. I'll see everyone. Very nice, Ray. Very good, Ray. Now, one more thing. You'll have to give a joint again. Same thing. When the house is with the road or this, you will have to make this dark. Just like everyone. Yes?
Ma'am, you didn't see mine.
Yeah, show me. 1 second, I'll see everyone. I'm just telling one effect what I'm able to see. See, you'll have this line very dark. Okay, next. Show me. Very good, Grant. It is okay now. Yes. No, Kushi. Directly load your black pencil to give a black effect. Wherever black is required.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
This you have made very nice. It has a black effect, but not for the roof. Roof should be black. Yes, show me. Jivan, show me. Yes. Krishan. Krish, show me.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Very good. Krish, load. Okay. Okay, just hold on.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah. Just make this highlight little bit here.
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
like
it is-
this?
Yeah. Next, show me.
Ma'am, like this.
Where? Which one? Tree. See, Rushan, you can give any shape to the tree, but tree will be definitely wide here. As it goes up, it can be wide, but this part will be more wide as compared to any part of the tree. Just go and see. It can be a straight one. If it is a coconut tree also, this is wide. As it goes up, it will be thin.
Okay, check my Gemini.
Got it? Yes, Jivansh, hold it. Yeah. It is okay. This below the roof. Just give now. We want to make the roof sharp. Once again. Yes, I'm going to see. Just hold on. Again, we want to make the roof sharp. That is, it should have an edge on the downside because it has. So what you are going to do is just highlight on the top. Highlight on the top. When you highlight on the top, it will give a sharp edge on the side. Yes. Who wants to show? Somebody will? Yes.
Ma'am, is this fine now?
It is fine. This will also have a grey effect. It is not going to be completely white.
Ma'am, can you
Very
see mine?
slight grey effect. Yes. Oh.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Ma'am, can you
1
see
minute,
mine?
1 minute. Just hold on. 1 minute, Kiran. Om. Very nice. Om. Yes. Kiran.
Ma'am, can you
Make
see
this
mine?
Here also it has a roof effect on this house. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Kiran. Very good, Kiran. Yes. Vedika G. Hold on. 1 second. Just hold on. Very good. Vedika, you have not done this roof, na? Don't leave it white. I have not completed. I've just, this two, you'll have to make it. You'll have to load there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Show. Path, 1 second. Just hold on. Very nice part. Part, make a highlight for here. This you have not highlighted on the top.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just doing
Yes.
it.
Shivani. Shivani, highlighting effect is I can see only here. This also I can see. This highlight effect I'm not able to see. This also.
Okay, ma'am.
Just give a highlight. What happens if you are not able to make it very light? You can erase this much. See, just erase this area and other side just load your gray, leaving just one single line. Afterwards, if you are not able to do this also, load your fixative and take your white color, whitener, anything and just highlight wherever the white shade is there. Highlighting is required
Okay, ma'am.
for this artwork. You can do it with your whitener, you can do it with your white paint. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, can you please tell that now is it looking right?
yes, show me. Now it is having a grey, dark black effect for the roof.
Okay.
Right.
Ma'am, like this.
Okay, don't do anything. It is okay now. Don't do anything. I'll just share me the artwork. That's why every time I say that share it, I'll just give you a outline to make. You can make any shape, as I said, little bit down. I'll make it little bit wide, and then you can load your gray color there. Okay, Rushan? Now don't do anything. Yes.
Ma'am, are we going to do the lamp today in the class?
Which one?
Lamp.
Yes, lamp, I'll show the effect. Now, two ways you can make. I'll show one effect here and one effect here. That is, one is with the white color and one with the yellow color. Both color I'll show.
Ma'am, with the paint or with the pencil color?
With the pencil color, then you add first fixative and then you can load the pencil color, white pencil color.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yes.
Ma'am, in the drawing, the 1.5 effective drawing that we have to make by ourselves, in that, can we make it colorful also, or we have to make it in the shade?
Colorful, but then you'll have to show me the effect. Dark, medium, light. I don't have any problem.
Okay. Is it compulsory to do it with paint? This one.
Yes, you can do with paint, you can do with your glass pencil, white if you want to make. I have made this with the help of yellow, just yellow shade here. For white, I'll show the white also.
Yellow paint color.
Yes, paint.
So ma'am, now we have to open our paint color.
Just for one effect here. I have loaded the yellow. For the lamp, or you can load your white also. One second. Just hold.
Ma'am, which yellow is there?
This is lemon yellow.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, like that.
Ma'am,
Just
first we have used the white color and then the yellow color.
no. White color, I was not able to find my white color. I'm showing two effects. One can be white, completely white if you want. You can make it, or you can use your yellow color also. I'll show for the white other place. 1 second. See.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I accidentally colored a little bit of.
What?
Ma'am, which type of paint should we use? Ma'am, can I
Anything.
do the yellow color after as I'm not
Yes, you can load yellow color. Where accidentally? Who has colored accidentally? Krish, show me.
Here.
Okay, you have made it this. Merge that with the not now. Wait, this background is there, na? It's a gray, na? Or which? It's a shading pencil, na? You can easily merge this side, this way.
Ma'am, which color you used in the lamp?
And here black. Here I have loaded yellow, lemon yellow. I just want to show the white effect also. White effect. It will be
Ma'am?
visible. I'll just show it here. Wait. As the lamp is black, on top of that, if you load the white, white will be also visible. But if you're loading white, just give first, add the fixative on top of that. You can use your pencil color also.
I don't know what. Ma'am, but why?
Huh?
Ma'am, why do we add? Ma'am, why do we have to add a fixative? Why we use the watercolors?
But to give a white effect, other thing is also there. You can give a white effect. I'll show you one more.
Ma'am, we have to use that fixative or white?
No. If you want, you can add the fixative because whenever you touch this artwork, all the pencil shades will come on your hand. That's why. Okay. Now, if you want to make a lamp, just clean your white this and just erase at that area.
Ma'am, we have to add fixative.
You want, you can add it or leave it with
Ma'am,
the.
fixative add karo.
Ma'am, for the street lamp that you have made, can I use white instead of yellow?
Yes, you can. Anything.
Actually,
You can use a light orange shade is there
but you have
with
to
the
spray
red
the
shade.
fixative
Mix
on the
all the
whole
three
artwork.
colors and just put that light also.
But do I have to
Yes.
put my fixative on the whole artwork or like just some places?
After completing it, this is a charcoal or a shading pencil artwork. You can see whole hand. We are doing it right now. We are just completing our artwork. But whenever
Ma'am.
once you come back and
Ma'am, are
if
we
you touch
doing
this,
more?
everything will come on your
Ma'am,
hand.
are
Similarly,
we
1
doing
second, 1 second. I'm just telling something. Just to listen. Similarly, if I have for each artwork, each page, I have a butter paper. I can leave this with the butter paper, nothing will happen. But gradually, once you have kept this artwork, you are preserving artwork. After some days or after some month, all your gray color will come on this butter paper or on the other side of the paper. So if you don't want this color to go fade or it should come on other paper, it's better you can add fixative to it. It is on your choice. It is not compulsory.
Ma'am, I don't know
You
how
can
to.
preserve this artwork for very long. I have my artwork for 7 years, which I have loaded with soft pastel, and I have not added any fixative to it. But the thing is that you'll have to be very careful while preserving it. You are not going to touch it, you are not going to move it. If you keep it anywhere and then you just operate it every time, you are just going to open it and then definitely it is going to fail.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can it stop smudging when you put fixative on it?
Yeah, it will stop merging. But you can do highlighting on top of the fixative, which makes it very easy. You can give an outline on the top of the fixative. You can merge that outline. That is also there. Yes, Jivansh?
Ma'am, how to actually use fixative? I've never used them before.
You have
Ma'am, can you
fixative?
see mine?
I have.
Okay. Just hold on. I'll just show. Yes?
Ma'am, I have to leave because I have another class.
Yeah. Show me yours. Then only you can leave.